And now we've come to the next person in line, which is Thuo Muiruri, who is the CEO of EWIK. And Thuo, I know you've been with us in the morning sessions as well, so welcome as a speaker now on topic of informal sector practices. We're looking forward to hearing your experiences and expertise on this. The floor is yours, Thuo.
Thank you very much, Simone and team, and welcome to this afternoon session. Simone, you have my presentation?
We're uploading it.
Okay.
Perhaps you can start with introducing yourself and we upload.
Okay, my name's Lawrence Thuo. I'm founder director at Ewaste Initiative Kenya. It's an informal organization. It's an organization that takes care of the informal sector in terms of proper coordination of waste management. This includes awareness, collection. We capitalize on reuse and refurbishment a lot, and training. And this is a key area that we are very keen at, on reuse of equipment. So a lot of refurbishment are done. We have a school that does training to the youth and people who are interested. We also do offer internships to people who are doing their thesis, research, and even people who are interested to upskill their skills in terms of repair, maintenance, harvesting of parts and components in the electronic world, applications like the IoT, Internet of Things, and many more. So today I'm going to showcase a few things that we do, how we do them, like awareness creation, how we do it. It's full of innovation because recently we have launched e-waste parties where people come carrying e-waste, and then we provide like a small party for the customer and a few drinks, and then we have a conversation.
Now we have the. Oh, we have.
Oh, so my presentation is ready. Can I start, Simon?
Yes, now.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay. E-waste management in the informal sector, like you can see in the pictures. We have several operations that we are doing, a computer that have been republished and painted for use, how we do our trainings, and how we adopt best practices. Next slide. Who are we? We are organized informal e-waste handlers, championing environmentally sound and sustainable e-waste management in Kenya and beyond. And like I said, what we do: awareness, health and safety, collection, training, refurbishment, reuse, and recycling and disposal. Next. Awareness creation, like I have said there.
So speak very strongly because your sound is. Yeah, now that's good. With a strong voice, please.
Okay, good. Our awareness creation circulates around social media, mainstream media, WhatsApp groups, telegrams, And recently, we have an innovation that we have come up with on how to create awareness. We call it EWIK Nyamachoma parties, where we slaughter goats, a bit of drinks, and we have our conversations with friends and community leaders, high schoolers, college, and young children who are as young as 5 years, where we do e-waste birthdays. Next, next slide. We also do a lot of environmental cleanups and conferences, like you can see, uh, tree planting, garbage cleanup on our environment as we recover the e-waste that has been dumped. Next. Our collection is very unique. We use several models. It's a hybrid model. Sometimes we do pay for the electronic waste that we collect. Other times we get paid, and sometimes we collect it free of charge. We offer door-to-door collection facility for small items and also big quantities of electronic waste. Next. We have 17 refurbished and waste to product products purely made from electronic waste. Those are some of the examples. If anybody is interested on how they are done, we can share a prototype and the kind of things that we have innovated to products. Next. We recently launched a dual learning training system, and we do have an academy that we called Ewaste Technical Academy. I think it's first of its kind in Africa. We are offering in-class training where learners come and learn on how to use a computer, how to do repair and refurbishment, and then we interact with them for 6 months, and by that time they are able even to in our in our network that collects and does the refurbishing. We do upskilling for people who are interested. Probably you're in the field of ICT and you'd be interested in learning how to do e-waste management, best practices, probably component and part harvesting, and how to reuse them and all that. We are offering that. Um, yes. And we also do give opportunities for those people who are looking for internship. Some of those are our workshops where we do our work. You can see harvested parts. Next. For us to be able to achieve a zero waste on our recycling, we have partnered with several people in plastics, papers, scrap metal, battery, and even disposal of PCBs for final processing. Next. Our impact. For example, during Corona period, we have collected a total of 167.8 tons, and probably somebody would ask how we arrived at this. We collect an average of 800 kilograms of waste to 1.5 tons per day, and we do collect between 4 and 5 times in a week. If you do your math, you will get that. We are also developing a curricula for e-waste handlers, which is going to be adopted by NITA. This is in partnership with, of course, Close the Gap and MDF. Maybe I can share the information to those who also would want to have a look at the curricula. We have also enhanced our e-waste handling through trainings in the local and regional counties. Nairobi, we have captured 800, and the rest 400 are coming from Mombasa, Kisumu, Homa Bay, and Nakuru. I said we are offering local and international internship opportunities for people doing research and are looking to get some knowledge on the e-waste sector. We can go next. Now, I'd like to share many of the challenges that the informal sector are facing. And one of it that I don't know how this forum can address it is licensing models. They are not very favorable to the informal sector. And that's why you see when the discussion of the EPR and all the good things that are coming on board, including funding, it's very hard for us to be able to access this because the licensing model puts us away. I heard the NMS saying they have collection centers they are coming up with. We would be happy to partner so that we get better operational spaces. Capacity building is another challenge that we have seen an opportunity and open a school for that. Anybody interested in partnering with us, we can do that. We are also looking for a very good solution for CRT monitors, which we are holding and, as a negative fraction with no value at all. Next. And thank you very much. That was Ewaste Initiative Kenya. I was very brief. Any questions that would arise, I'm here to answer them. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Thuo. Very interesting and inspiring to hear about what you're doing and what you've been doing. And of course, there are several challenges. So hopefully now when being addressed internationally even, we will come closer to some of the solutions for that.